Just want to go through the difference between the technological knowledge and human capital. Technological knowledge is really the society's understanding of how to produce goods and services. It's really our best understanding of how to do something. So 100 years ago, maybe our best understanding of a tractor was a steam-powered tractor. So that was like the technology level for that time period. The human capital would have been learning about how to operate the tractor, how to efficiently use it in the field, and so forth. So both play a role in productivity. How much you learn about the technology plays a role, and then the quality of the technology plays a role in the productivity. The way to look at the technology aspect, it's like the textbook for this course, and the human capital is how much you study the text. So if the textbook, which is like the technology, is a really good textbook, it's easy to be productive in economics because you have a really high technology level or a really quality book. It also determines or depends on how much you study, so how much human capital you build. So if you have a really good book but you never open it, then you're not going to be that productive. So both are important, the quality of the book and then how much you study the book. If you want to take this analogy and move it forward to an example you could relate to, take the steam tractor example. That's like having a poor quality book compared to today's book, which would be like a really productive diesel tractor or something like that. So you can kind of see the analogy there. Hopeful.